Hey everybody, and welcome to either BA 101 or BA 150. I'm going to do a quick video on how to download a Word document, then load it up to your Google Drive, and then convert it to a Google Doc. If you already know how to do it, then move on. Go do something else. So I'm in week 1 of the Moodle here. You can see right here, see it says week 1. Okay, this happens to be 2019 if you're wondering. So I'm going to scroll down and I'll use, let's see, interview an entrepreneur. Here it is, right? So I'm going to click on this, and here's the file. Usually will give you, hopefully always give you the information you need here. So I need to download both these, but I'm just going to download the visit form. So you just click on the form. It's going to bring up a window and ask you to save it, right? And I'm going to call this number 1 so I don't lose track of it, and save it. So you can see right down here, it saved the document. So I'm going to open my Google Drive up here. And all you got to do is click New right here, File Upload, and then where did I save it? Well, in this case, I saved this to my week 1 file in my business stuff. And there it is, Interview Visit Form 1. You just double click, and you'll notice that Google uploads it. Well, once it's uploaded, it's super easy. You just double click the form, and then you tell it open with Google Docs, and you wait for it, and you wait for it some more. And how about those Mets anyway? What about those Blazers? Okay, and so here it is. And so now I've got my form in Google Docs, so I can edit it, change it around. I can type in it, put the date in, whatever I need. Okay. So thanks for listening, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on the Mr. Duncan Show.